We just shot some foam runners in lovely Santa Fe. It is the most beautiful golden hour here, and there's this really poppin' place down the street where, I don't know, it's like hidden and everybody's going there, so I feel like we need to try that spot out. But hopefully you guys enjoy this segment on this foam runner, and I hope that it really actually fit the whole setting and background here. They're really known for adobe buildings, and it's like this really cool kind of clay and this really nice kind of pinkish colorway. But yeah, there you have it. Another Shade takes on Santa Fe.
Oh, I'm tied to your tracks, love. I wish that I am your last love. This dream seems to be killing me, but I can't get enough. Once again, the story will find me and I'll turn into words how I should have fallen for a bluebird. At least you know each spring it'll always return.
Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some foam runners, this time in the Stone Sage colorway. So let's take a quick sneak peek at these Yeezys. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about some Yeezy foam runners today. This was a re-release. I unfortunately was unable to cop these when these first actually launched. These are the Stone Sages. I think this is a really dope, cool, clean, crisp colorway. So we'll start off by talking about the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled them, and then talk about how well these are actually doing still after the re-release on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So of course we've got this nice all over algae material, super lightweight silhouette. Definitely one of my go-tos right now when I've been traveling and going to warmer climates. This is definitely a nice kind of beige neutral color scheme. It kind of gives a brown effect as well depending on the light, but you can see that there is this kind of intricate pattern throughout the silhouette. So you're gonna see kind of some lighter shades of brown throughout the beige on here. And it really kind of gives it this flowing water-like effect all throughout. So we've got it on the sides of the toe box. It's pretty just clean on the front of the toe here on the foam runner, but as you get to the side panels of it, it does have this kind of nice watered effect. It goes all the way throughout the silhouette, also on the inner lining of the silhouette as well, and then it just kind of nicely flows onto the bottom of the outsole as well. So there you have it. That is the Stone Sage. Nice kind of all over multicolor going on here, but it's very kind of complementary and very neutral tone. We do have obviously these nice perforations throughout in that just nice simplistic beige colorway. And then we've got just that nice kind of material on the inside there that you can see. It's kind of a slip-proof material, which is nice. I like that they've added that in there. Just because I do like to wear socks and I don't really slip around too much in these. So let's take a look at all those details and then we'll talk about size and fit on these. Okay, so now let's jump into size and fit. So as far as half sizing goes, these do not run into half sizings. So I'm a 7.5. I decided to go half a size up just because these do tend to run a little bit more snug. As you can see on the back of the heel here, this is in a section of the silhouette where your heel will not really actually make it to the back fully. So you are losing a lot of space back here. I did post a picture recently actually sitting on a rock, and I think a lot of people were saying, oh, you're not wearing the right size. Well, one thing is when you are sitting in a shoe, your foot is going to be all the way up in that silhouette. I wasn't actually standing in it. When I am standing and my foot is completely flat, these fit me perfect to a T. So again, this size preference as well is what works best for you. So if you do have higher to narrow feet like myself and you do like to wear your shoes with a little extra space in them, I would highly recommend sizing at least a half a size up on these ones. All right, so now let's jump into styling.
The echoes of the past will come right back to you. You think you're always...
So as far as styling goes, a really easy colorway to really complement your wardrobe. For the first look, I wanted to go all denim. It was definitely in kind of a desert mode. So we shot these actually in Santa Fe, and I decided to wear some light denim for the first look. So light denim bustier with some matching light denim pants. I think denim obviously is just your go-to for these and is gonna go with pretty much any type of denim you have in your wardrobe. Look, I wanted to bring some color out, so I decided to wear an orange romper. I do think just because these are a neutral kind of palette, don't be afraid to actually mix and match these with a bright pop of color as we are getting into spring and summer.
Climb to the top of a mountain, fly around the world over oceans, scrape out a living just for this feeling, alive and well, and I'm breathing. I'm on the move, out into the great wide open. Look out, whoa, here I come, hoist up my sails and ride the wind.
And then for the last look, I decided to wear a cream tank with some beige bottoms. And that beige, I just really wanted to complement the kind of beige tones I saw throughout the colorway in this silhouette.
I'm on the move, out into the great wide open. Look out, world, here I come, hoist up my sails and ride the wind. Look out, world, here I come, hoist up my sails and ride the wind.
Let me know at the bottom or in the comments what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
You just move, baby. Move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? Got me on my knees, on my feet. You can take me to the left, baby. Take me to the right. You can take me for the rest of my life. Just move, baby. The way you move is moving me. What could I do? Follow along with your hips, feet on whatever you do, just don't stop. You just move, baby. Move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? Got me on my knees, on my feet. You can take me to the left, baby. Take me to the right. You can take me for the rest of my life. Just move, baby. The way you move is moving me.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $90 and they are currently going between $200 to $250. So even though these did actually re-release, they are still doing pretty crazy in the market right now. Just goes to show how much people really love this color and love the silhouette. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all in the next episode.
Move is moving.